What's going on, guys? It's Jimbo here for another daily detail tip, and today's daily detail tip all evolves around this cool little interior microfiber brush. Now, this isn't something that you're going to want to like detail or use to scrub an interior of a car because the fibers are long and loose and soft. But what I love this brush for, and I'm kind of obsessed with brushes, and I think a lot of detailers are obsessed with all different types of brushes. But what I love this brush for is the interior of my personal car. So I'm borderline obsessed with having no dust and crap on my dash or door panels or anywhere. And I found out that this brush is perfect for those like in-between conditioning sessions, I guess you would call it. And so this brush, because of its super soft microfiber, twisted, blended, I don't even know what you would call it, not bristles, but fibers, I guess, makes extremely quick work of just wiping that light layer of dust off my dashboard. So I love this brush. It's really cheap. Again, a lot of these tips and tricks, if I'm talking about products, I try to keep it right around the $10 mark. And I'll link this brush up. Also, what I like about it is it's pretty small. So yeah, you could keep a towel in your car and stuff like that, but the towel gets dirty and messy. This you would have to hand wash, but I'm never using chemicals with it. It's strictly just, it's almost like a California duster, but not for your paint work because you're gonna scratch the exterior of your paint if you use it on that, but just for the interior to knock that dust off. But unlike the California duster, the fibers don't have any wax or oil residue on it, so it's completely dry and fine, similar to a dry microfiber towel. Now, if you wanted to add some conditioner or cleaner or something like that, you could add it on there. I wouldn't suggest it. I don't use it. What I just really like this for is those in-between cleanings or anything like that. Just something really fast, really easy. Could wipe down the whole inside of your car in like a minute with this. And then I throw it in my glove box. So it gets stowed away. You could leave it in your door panel if you wanted. But again, for $10, this thing's gonna last forever. You're really never gonna have to clean it. So today's daily detail tip is gonna be to pick up one of these brushes to help you keep the inside of your car clean, or even a client's car, really, if you wanted to just brush through it really quick and didn't want to have to worry about getting, a spray bottle and a towel or anything like that. Not great for nooks and crannies, but for the bulk of the interior, it's going to be great. So pick up this microfiber interior brush and save yourself a ton of time, and keep your dashboard clean.